Welcome.
Adjective in a story. Have you ever wondered how to make your stories more vivid, more alive, and more memorable? The secret is simple. Use adjectives the right way. Adjectives help your reader see what you see, feel what you feel, and dive deeper into your story world without adding complicated grammar. So here's the trick. Rule number 1. Adjectives in English come before the noun. If you say dark forest, the reader immediately imagines a place full of mystery. But if you say a fort's dark, it sounds strange. Keep it natural. Adjective plus noun. Rule number 2. Adjectives never change. No plural, no feminine, no masculine. One small dog, two small dogs. A beautiful woman, a beautiful man. The adjective stays the same. Easy, right? Now imagine you're writing a story. Mark entered a room. Is it a cold, bright, messy, or quiet room? The adjectives you choose completely changes the atmosphere. One single word can turn the scene scary, peaceful, or exciting. So next time you write or tell a story in English, choose your adjectives carefully. They are the colors that paint your scene. Follow Minute English, subscribe, and share with your friends.